Alright guys, welcome to another video. It has been a little while since the last video I put up, being that interview style video. I have since analysed the short films that I've put out and that documentary and decided that what I need to work on is the colour grading and some of the camera angles for that documentary film. Today's video is going to go into colour grading and colour correction. It's going to be a slightly different sort of video. It's not really a tutorial, it's just sort of a follow along, sped up version of me editing the short clips that I've put together into a sequence to mimic 1917's colour grading, as I like the look of this. It's nice and muted, the skin tones are a bit dialed back as well, so it gives me a little more to work on. I'm going to do a series of this. If there's any films that you want to see the look recreated or attempted to be recreated within Premiere Pro, leave them down below. Likewise, if you see me doing anything questionable that you would say can be done a lot easier, then please leave them down in the comments below. Or you want a bit more clarification on what I'm doing myself, say it down below and I will make a video on it. So without further ado, we'll jump into Premiere, and at the end of this video I will show you a little sort of tidbit that allows you to get the look a lot quicker with just a single image from whatever colour palette you like, and it applies it to your image and you can tweak it from there on. Just speeds up the process a little bit more, but I want to know the in-depth values of colour grading from the ground up. Okay, so for creating the quick and easy look of an image you like, the colour palette you like of an image or a video you have seen, you will want a still image of that. So for the sakes of this tutorial, we're going to copy the video file that I had for my editing process and put it into a new sequence. Once you have it in the new sequence, you will drag your image of choice into that sequence as well, making sure that it is well out of the way of the video clip you want to edit. Drag in an adjustment layer, scale it to the size of the video clip, and then you'll want to go to color wheels and match. Click composite view and source your image at the end of your sequence, wherever it may be on your timeline. Make sure that it is scaled to the size of your sequence also, as this will give you a better understanding for the computer to extrapolate from. Once you've done that, select your adjustment layer and go up to composite view. You will see your reference image you set earlier, and then you can hit apply match. This will take a couple of moments for the computer to analyze, but once it has done so, it'll apply it on. Also, in this example, I forgot to make sure that my adjustment layer was the correct size, as I had been working in a different sequence previously and just used the same adjustment layers. Once you've got it to the size that you need, you can then further the creative look by changing up the highlights, the exposure, the blacks and the midtones. You can also go further into the color aspects within the color wheels or the curves and create the look you like. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it and found it interesting. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comments section down below. A like rating would be appreciated, and in the meantime, if you want to see some of my other work, you can find it in the playlist at the end of this video. Until next time guys, keep it real, hunt that thrill, peace.